going to a number of different caves today. We're going to Carrick-na-Coppin 1, 2 and 3. I think number 3 is Peruvian Pot. We're going to try Anvil Pot, Leg Cave, and if we have time later on we're going to try Schoolhouse Cave as well.
You dry sometimes
we'll
as well. Okay, so I reckon the first one is Anvil Pot, which is down somewhere in those trees down there in relation to the shed. Here's before the shed if you're walking up the lane from the road. Right, we think this is the entrance to Anvil Pot or Cess Pot. So we tried about, was this about the third group of trees as you're coming from the gate from the road, and there's a pipe running into it as well, so it might be quite wet. We don't have a wee look anyway. Feet are quite wet. It's very awkward. Okay, try again. Yeah, definitely the way. At least we're getting cooled down a bit in the water and then heated up with the grunting. It's that big rock in the middle. I wonder, is that the anvil? Did it look like an anvil to you? Not sure it did to me. Look. Well, Anvil Pot's quite tight. Yep. Yeah, keep going. Whew. That's tight now for a fatty like me. Oh, Anvil Pot is not so nice.
You alright?
Yep. A few big spiders in here.
Huh?
A few big spiders in here. Was? Just wanted to get the cave muscles working. And to see how unfit in some ways that we are. Okay for walking, not okay for crawling. Woo. So after Anvil Pot.
See if you want to make a note.
Huh?
The cave entrance is on the very left, looking from the shed.
Okay, looking from the shed. Cave entrance is to the left of the clump of trees. As I was going into that cave there, I was telling Sam for a quarter of a second, I started to question my sanity. Why am I doing this? I was glad to hear Sam had a similar fleeting thought. But it's gone now and we're on to cave number 2.